my name is Tiara Homan, and I attend Abilene State University, and my major is history. A study by scientists at the World Health Organization, WHO, determined 154,000 people die every day from the effects of global warming. And by 2020, it will almost double. Today, I would like to share what I've learned about global warming and its causes and effects. First, I will enlighten the problem of global warming. Second, I would describe how the causes of global warming affects today's world. Last but not least, I would discuss things that we can do as individuals to help better our planet from global warming. A gradual increase in the overall temperature of the Earth's atmosphere, generally attributed to the greenhouse effect caused by increased levels of carbon dioxide and other pollutants. Global warming is affecting many parts of the world. Global warming makes the sea rise. When the sea rises, it covers lowland islands. This is a big problem for not only plants and animals, but people on the island too. The water covers the plants and causes some of them to die. When they die, the animals lose a source of food, along with their habitat. Although animals have a better ability to adapt to what happens to the plants, what happens to the plants do, they may also die too. When the plants and animals die, people lose two sources of food: plant food and animal food. The oceans are affected by global warming in other ways as well. Many things that are happening to the ocean are linked to global warming. One thing that is happening is warm water caused by global warming. It's harming and killing algae in the ocean. Global warming can do many things. One thing that causes global warming is electrical pollution. Electricity causes pollution in many ways, some worse than others. In most cases, fossil fuels are burned to create electricity. Fossil fuels are made of dead plants and animals. Some examples of fossil fuels are oil and petroleum. Many pollutants, chemicals that pollute the air, water, and land, are sent into the air when fossil fuels are burned. Some of these chemicals are called greenhouse gases. We use the source of energy much more than a source that gives off less pollution. Petroleum, one of the sources of energy, is used a lot. It is used for transportation, making electricity, and making many other things. Although this source of energy often a lot pollutes the world, it is used 38%. Global warming causes carbon dioxide emissions from burning gasoline for transportation. Our modern car pollution and appetite for globally sourced goods is responsible for about 33 emissions in the U.S. today. With our population growing at an alarming rate, the demand of more cars and consumers means that we are increasing the fossil fuels for transportation and manufacturing. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Do your part to reduce waste by choosing reusable products instead of disposables. Get reusable water bottles, for example. Buying products with minimal packaging, including the economy size that makes sense for you, will help reduce waste. And whenever you can, recycle paper, plastic, newspaper, glass, and aluminum cans. If the community asks about starting one by recycling half of your household waste, you can save 2,400 pounds of carbon dioxide annually. Use less heat and air conditioning. Adding insulation to your walls and attic and installing weather stripping or calculating around the doors and windows can lower your heating costs more than 25% by reducing the amount of energy you need to heat and cool your home. Bring less means driving less, fewer emissions. Besides saving gasoline, walking and biking are great forms of exercise. Explore your community, mass train systems, and check out options for carpooling to work or school. Buy energy efficient products. When I say buy energy efficient products, I mean buy a new car. When it's time to buy a new car, you can choose one that offers good gas mileage. Home appliances now come in a range of energy efficient models and LED bulbs designed to provide more natural looking light while using far less energy than the standard light bulbs today. Look into your state's energy efficiency programs and you might find some help. Use less hot water. I know it's getting cold, you like long hot baths, so do I. But if you set your water heater at 120 degrees to save energy and wrap up in an insulating blanket, it saves more than 5 years. Buy low flow shower heads to save water and about 350 pounds of carbon dioxide yearly. Encourage others to conserve. Share information about recycling and energy conservation with your friends, neighbors, and coworkers, and take opportunities to encourage public officials to establish programs and policies that are good for the environment. Now, if we can all come together as a community and take these steps in making our world a better place, not only we can save the planet, the animals, and eat really yummy plants. So, will you take the challenge in saving our planet from global warming? Thank you. My name is Tiara Holman, and I'm glad to be of service.